gotta admit, I think these things handle great.
Oh, nice. Way to go out of the lane, Ben.
Yeah, way to like go so slow to ruin my corner.
Is Lindsay allowed to sit in the back there?
Yeah, she's over 18. Almost wrecked the bike.
Did you really?
What's up, guys? Sean and Caleb here from Bikes and Beers. Yo, when was the last time we did a test drive like this?
Yeah! Car is not coming. Oh!
Yeah! Yeah! That's the kind of stuff you could do if you ride one of these ridiculously tiny bikes.
They're not tiny, they're super big.
Yo, okay, so this is the comparison video. The 2017, well, pretty much this is just the, we're comparing the, I'm having a hard time keeping up with the truck, it's too fast.
Ben is flying right now.
We're comparing the Kawasaki 125 Pro, which just came out in 2017. We got our hands on one, and we're comparing that with the, what you got, Caleb?
I got the 2015 Honda Grom! And they are basically both stock, but mine's got a pipe on it.
Sick! What's, so I spent a lot of time on that Grom. First of all, do you have a gear indicator?
No.
I've got a gear indicator on mine.
That's pretty cool. They probably just pulled the dash off the Ninja or something.
Nah, tiny, it's a little tiny dash.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's like a miniature dash?
Yeah.
It's like Dasher and Prancer?
Yeah.
I'm going 27!
Yo, you're pulling on me like a beast.
Yay! I'm flying!
Let's do a drag race up here at some point in time. Alright, so I was on this actually did really good on the highway.
Like better than the Grom?
I thought it may have felt a little more stable on the highway.
Really?
Although I got used to the Grom. The one bad thing about this bike is that the handlebars are too low.
Yeah, they hit your knees.
Alright, so look at the placement of my knees, and then look at the placement of Caleb's knees.
Right.
Caleb's knees are more like down here.
Right.
Let's try to catch up to Ben. Alright, so I'm in top gear.
I'm literally going as fast as I possibly can.
Yeah, I'm going as fast as I can too.
Oh, I'm pulling away, baby!
You are.
Dang.
This is embarrassing. I just got beat by a 125.
And you're on a super sport.
And I'm on a sport bike while driving a 125.
Oh, looks like he's following your direction.
He's following, alright. Yo, come up here and come in like...
I'm in first.
You're in first.
Now I'm in second.
I'm in first.
You in first?
Come up next to me. Go!
Whoa!
Smoked you!
It like topped out way faster than I thought it would.
What do you mean you topped out? Oh, you mean like you hit the red line?
It was like...
Nice.
Yeah.
Is yours only a 4-speed?
Yeah, I don't think it's a 5. Is that a 5?
No, mine's a 4-speed too.
I was gonna say.
I kind of want to jump in this field and just kind of like shred it up in this field.
Oh, let me see. You did take this Grom off-road, didn't you?
I did.
I'm doing 50 up the hill right now. That's pretty impressive.
I might just go in this field. I can get away with that.
You won't.
I will.
You won't.
I will. It's just a little bike.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Yeah, I'm doing it. Yeah.
Woo!
That was sick.
That was so dope. I got footage. Don't worry.
That was super epic. That's what I just, you know, that's what separates the Kawasaki from the Honda. I can just shred it up in a field.
Right.
And no one's ever gonna bother me, you know?
I'm gonna go out on the limb and say that that is the deciding factor for most people.
Yeah. Actually, I took the Honda extensively off-road, and it was extremely impressive.
Really?
Oh yeah, it was great. Well, they're both so small.
Right.
Are you topped out?
Yeah.
Where are you? Come up here.
I'm trying. I'm topped out.
You gotta tuck low, man. Get real low.
Ben is freaking flying right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna crush this corner. 15 miles an hour. I'm gonna do it like 17.
I was gonna say the same number.
Nice.
I did it in 22.
So I gotta admit, I think these things handle great.
Oh, nice. Way to go out of the lane, Ben.
Yeah, way to like go so slow to ruin my corner. I just tried to
wheelie, I saw it.
Yeah. And this is what happened. It went, It was pretty I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty epic.
How does yours feel stability wise?
Yeah, it feels good. It feels stable. What about you? You feel good?
No, I feel fine, man.
No, I think mine might have a higher top speed.
What?
She's telling you turn signal off, stupid idiot.
Dang.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Woo!
It's really tough because red line just comes. There's no actual like power band.
Right.
It's just
so fast.
It's very consistent, and it's never fast. Or it's just never fast. It's always like, oh, now I gotta shift. Oh, and then you shift. It feels exactly the same.
It's like, honestly, if you fell off one of those, you could be in beach shorts and probably be fine.
Yeah, I mean, 40 miles an hour is still 40 miles an hour.
That's true. That's pretty slow.
It is super slow, though.
Like, I ride these things with, like, a sun hat on and, like, beach short, you know, some, like, swim trunks.
So, Caleb, why would you want to buy one of these?
You know, I think that they're super cool if you're, like, a commuter.
Yo, get up next to me, man.
I'm trying, dude.
Dang, just...
There we go.
Man up. Let's try up on this road up here. Let's try to stay real. Let's try to stay like pretty close to him.
Okay.
Just to get some ill footage.
Why would I want to buy one of these? I think if I was like living in a city or something and I wanted to like park on the curb and like in my office, I would.
Yeah, no joke. You could just yank this up and put it in your office.
You really could. You just take it up the elevator and everything.
I can't help but just I feel like you really need to redline it.
I am legit redlining it right now. I can do nothing faster.
Wow.
I am full throttle.
Should we jump on the highway?
Do you think it's no. You think it's because I'm heavier than you?
How much do you weigh? 350?
I'm like 240, 235.
Are you serious?
I'm probably 235, yeah.
Nah, because I had tons of luggage last time. I guess I'm just a way better rider than you.
You are. So, why would you buy one? Would you buy the Kawasaki over the Honda?
I mean, I like the green. This one, I think it looks better than the Honda. It looks cooler.
It does.
I would put some bigger bars on it. I would fix that problem.
Right. Right.
Other than that, I feel like they're just too similar. They're
right. So like whatever one you got cheaper.
I mean, you can do that on any bike.
Yeah, you can really just yank the front end up
and the
so
back
easily.
End. Reach down, yank that back in.
Yours does have those cool like those pegs right there you can scrape, or like the highway pegs or whatever. What is that?
That should probably be fixed.
Dang. Yamaha. Mama, as my neighbor would say.
After this turn, let's see if we can get a legit drag race. And you know what? It's not even legal because we're not even close to speeding.
We're not even. Colin's gonna be like, you were going 5 under. What's wrong?
We're riding little tiny baby bikes.
Dang, Ben, you're flying right now, dude. You're doing like 40 and stuff.
Slow it down.
Slow down. Tell him to slow down.
Lindsay is so puzzled.
She's very confused.
What? I'm going to start first. We're going to stop. We're doing a complete stop. Yeah.
Complete stop?
Right here. All right. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go! Yep, smoked you. Smoked ya.
Dude, you did, like, I'm literally redlining this thing at every single turn.
What's up guys, I'm Sean. Thanks for watching that great video. And as always, click down here to subscribe. And here's the next fun video for you guys to watch. We'll see you guys next time.
And that wasn't far enough away.
And I had no clue. I'm just gonna tell you guys to back off. Bring your bikes, and listen, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. We'll see you guys later.